This project demonstrates an intelligent street lighting system that uses solar energy and motion detection to reduce power consumption. In traditional systems, street lights remain on continuously, which leads to energy wastage. To overcome this issue, our system automates the lighting process based on real-time movement detection. The components used are Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, LED, solar panel, rechargeable battery, connecting wires, baseboard which is used for mounting. The system consists of a solar powered energy unit and a motion detection control unit. The solar panel captures sunlight and converts it into electrical energy. This energy is stored in the battery pack. The Arduino Uno acts as the brain of the system. The ultrasonic sensor detects motion or objects nearby. The LED represents the street light. All components are connected using wires and mounted on a board for demonstration. The working principle is the solar panel generates electrical energy during daytime. The battery stores this energy for later use. The ultrasonic sensor continuously measures distance. When motion is detected within a range, Arduino sends signal, LED turns on. When no motion is detected, LED turns off. This ensures that the light operates only when required. The ultrasonic sensor has 4 pins: VCC, which is connected to Arduino 5V, GND, which is connected to ground, trigger to Arduino digital pin, echo to Arduino digital pin. The LED is connected, the positive side of the LED is connected to Arduino output pin, negative ground, and that's it. The advantages of our system are it saves energy by avoiding unnecessary lighting, it uses renewable energy, solar power, it is a fully automatic system, it has low cost and it is easy to implement, and reduces electricity bills. Applications are street lights, parking areas, highways, smart cities, rural and remote areas. The system successfully turns on the light when motion is detected and turns it off when no motion is present. This reduces energy consumption and improves efficiency. This project provides an efficient and eco-friendly solution for street lighting. By combining solar energy with motion detection, the system minimizes power wastage and supports sustainable development. For the future scope, we have integration with IoT for remote monitoring, use of smart sensors for better accuracy, automatic brightness control, and large-scale smart city implementation. Thank you.